Welcome to the 1EdTech Trusted Apps Generative AI Data Rubric 5-minute video. I'm Susan Hott, Technical Program Manager of Digital Curriculum and Assessment here at 1EdTech. The Trusted Apps Generative AI Data Rubric was developed to provide a foundation for the ethical, productive, and safe use of generative AI data in the field of education. It addresses policies and transparency and encourages the examination of data, such as a declaration that AI is in use, that you can opt in or opt out, the quality of data sources, bias controls, and data ownership. It is a self-assessment tool for suppliers and currently only contains one section, the privacy section. It will be expanded to address data quality, validity, ownership, and additional concerns with generative AI data practices. Since the development of the Generative AI Data Rubric, we've had a call for participation to expand this rubric. We now have an AI task force with institutional and supplier member experts in the field of artificial intelligence. Contributing members who have implemented AI and AI experts are welcome to join this task force. 1EdTech is planning to develop a more comprehensive AI data self-assessment instrument to assess the uses of data in AI beyond privacy, including data sources, validity and bias, intellectual property, user prompt data protections, and other data concerns when AI is in use. The Generative AI Data Rubric Data Privacy section sets expectations for alerts when generative AI is in use, options to opt in and out, information about the use of AI in the data privacy policy, identification of data sources, and the notification that AI is internal or a third-party tool and is associated with data privacy and ownership concerns. The purpose of the Trusted Apps Generative AI Data Rubric is to provide a common framework for evaluating and discussing AI data practices. It is also a foundation concerning the need to include information about the use of generative AI data within existing privacy and security documents, such as privacy policies and terms of service. It can also be used to develop AI policies or start the conversation about creating an AI policy. Generative AI is rapidly changing, so we will continue to collaborate on other AI topics. Institutions. AI tools and systems are significantly shaping the education landscape, presenting both opportunities and challenges for institutions, faculty, students, and staff. The 1EdTech Emerging Digital Pedagogies Innovation Leadership Network developed this AI preparedness checklist to provide institutions with guiding prompts for establishing protocols, policies, and best practices for using AI in teaching and learning. You can begin the important discussion on AI in your own institution. Visit the AI Preparedness Checklist page and download the document today. How the rubric works in 5 steps. Suppliers, go to the Trusted Apps directory and find your product page. Scroll down to the App Vetting Reviews section. Click Add a Generative AI Data Rubric. Enter the product information in the fields on the General tab. Respond to the self-assessment questions and add notes and links as supporting evidence in the Notes field. Click the Save button to submit. Once published, results can be viewed by members in the Trusted Apps directory and the Trusted Apps Management Suite. 1EdTech also has suggested RFP language for institutions. Learn more and access these valuable resources at 1edtech.org. Suppliers, you can get started here. You can see your products in the 1EdTech Trusted Apps directory and in the Trusted Apps Management Suite. As a member, you can lead and influence the innovation in 1EdTech. We value your organization's innovation and input into the design of new open standards of interoperability. 1EdTech's Trusted Apps rubrics include the Accessibility Rubric, the Security Practices Rubric, the Generative AI Data Rubric, and our Data Privacy Certification. These self-assessments and the Data Privacy Certification Rubric and Seal can be used as a supplement to help suppliers and institutions have more information, which can speed up the procurement process. To learn more about the Trusted Apps rubrics, visit the 1EdTech website at 1edtech.org and visit the Trusted Apps program page. What's next? Calling all suppliers, get your products certified and self-assess them for accessibility, security practices, and generative AI data privacy. Calling all K-12 and higher ed institutions, require products to be certified and self-assessed for accessibility, security practices, and generative AI data privacy. This is Susan Haught, Technical Program Manager of Digital Curriculum and Assessment here at 1EdTech. Keep on innovating and join the Trusted Apps Rubrics conversation.